Hi guys, Emily from PickyStory here. I want to show you how to set up a bundle builder deal with PickyStory and how this will look in your store. So if we go to try.pickystory.com, this is our demo store. Let's take a look at our bundle builder here. So basically with bundle builder, what you can do is display lots of different products to your customer on one page, and then they can just pick and choose the ones they're interested in and get the optional discount if you add one. It's really easy. They can just add them all from this one page. They don't have to navigate to different product pages. So it's great for increasing your AOV. So in this particular deal, the customer can select 3 more shirts to get 15% off. So we can just start adding them to the cart. It tells us how many we've added. And then once we add 3, it says, congrats, your discount will be applied at the checkout. So that's basically how it works. Now let's take a look at setting one up with PickyStory. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is navigate to deals and then create a new deal group for our bundle builder. Under bundle builder here. Give it a name. This is just for your reference. And then we add our bundle builder and we can create our first bundle builder here. Okay, so I'm going to call this one my free for 20% off shirts. Again, this name of the bundle builder is just for your reference. If you don't want to offer a discount, you can just toggle this off and no discount will be applied. But if you do, just toggle it on. And then you can choose between a percentage discount, like 3 for 20% off, fixed amount discount, buy 3, save $15, or a target price, like buy 3 for $50. So I'm going to set a percentage, 20%, and then the minimum products required is how many products the customer has to add to their cart for the discount to kick in. So I want this to be 3, so that's perfect. For the messaging template, you can either create a new one or you can edit an existing one if you have one. So let's take a look. The code is the discount code that the customer sees at the checkout. So you can edit that here. I'm happy with shirts. And then this is the messaging that appears on the page so the customer understands what to do. So this says add this many products to get this discount. And it's dynamic, so it will change as they add the products to their cart. And then this is the message that applies once they've added enough products and they know they're getting the discount. So you can edit both of those here. And now I can start adding products. So I'm just going to search for shirt and then add all of my colored shirts to the bundle builder. Okay, perfect. Save the changes. Now we can see our bundle builder here and it's also been added to our deal group here. So the next thing we need to decide is where to display it. So you can offer a bundle builder deal on your product pages. If you have a dedicated page in Shopify where you would like to show it, you can do that too. You can add it to your homepage. If there's one specific URL where you'd like to show it, you can enter the file path here. I have a page set up in Shopify called Build Your Custom Bundle, so I'm going to add it there. Okay, save those changes. Now the next thing we need to do is actually position the bundle builder on the page. So when you click here, you'll be taken to your whichever page you selected, and you can just drag this purple box and drop it when it's in the right spot. So I want to try and position it below the title. Maybe there. Perfect. So it says add 3 more products to get 20% off. I'm happy with that positioning. So we'll go back to the app. And then you can click on this little eye icon to view it. Cool, there it is. I'm going to start adding these. Now it says add 2 more products, add 1 more product. Congrats, enjoy your shirts. So that's pretty much how the bundle builder works. Have fun.